welcome to my channel. If you're new here, Sithinga-Mqoqi, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Bandase, the guys, sana. We are on our way to Eastern Cape. I've been chilling on my last vlog. So Sisendleleni guys, and now Sisebloemfontein. The time now is but I think it's 9:45 up. It's 9:45 in the morning. So yeah guys, masambeni bandase sene Eastern Cape ndihambeni nani masambeni. Phansi ndilibala njani guys, please don't skip ads, and also like and leave a comment down below, and mostly subscribe. The sun is better. This is a guys, and such sana. Guys, it's an annual north. Go where? Guys, it's an annual north. And the time now is 5 to 12. But Kesana, Indo Endi, Pazamisa is that the funeral is tomorrow. So I'm not sure if we are leaving today late. Because I call Selalini. But I think we'll leave tomorrow morning, but still I need to rest. Sana, my feet are swollen. Yeah? Guys, now I'm Zidumbile.
Go, mommy. Go.
Go away. Sana.
Okay, mommy.
Ufuna njengoba uzongena grade 5.
No.
Ngoku uzongena grade 4 kalo.
Mommy.
Ichikote grade yamamanya.
Yabo. Mbahlale back enzokwenzela. Iyachisa. Iyachisa mntanami. Suka babe. Guys, this is the new mall yaseDutywa. Impashe LG Mall. Asizihamba tu bandase singezanga apha. Asihambi tu singezanga guys apha. Ndizanithatha size apha. Sana, siseDutywa town. I think we've been here for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Sana, I have a bit of a situation, but I know okay, it's TMI because oh, Sana. This isn't 20 guys, and I messed up myself, so now I can't go out of the car. Like and then and I'm not really sure but guys I am so stressed. Okay, any into stress ngizawufika endlini kukho abantu yabo, and andifuna ufika ndiyamndobulisa, andifuna ufika ngqala endlini yam ndizilungise ndibe right yabo before ndilandikile ndiqhawulwe yini ayikhola So bengisatsho ke sanibana ana manziyana ndifuna ufika guys ngqale endlini yam ndizilungise fast ndizolani and ke sanabantu abaninzi apha edutywe bayandazi bandazela ku-TikTok nonqena nophuma sane and izoba ngathi abantu ndiyaba-avoida guys. Ndifuna ufika ndihlambe fast before ndihambe ndiyobulisa bazavele bayijampele ke sana uba kwenzeka ntoni and ke sana ndizozifosta ndihambe ndiye kubo ndinje hayibo bazawuthi yintoni sana sina-stress ngase ndingalila ngaphi isiluma sindithini i-period pains but ke guys wethu masambeni ndibona xa ndifika and my phone iku-1% ingacima anytime. Ziyana mani. Good morning. Kusekuseni guys, past 7 ngoku. Oh sana, we are off to Mqoqi. I didn't even show you outfit of the day. Izolo ndifikile plate of, so I didn't do much, so that's why I didn't vlog. But yeah guys, I'm not promising but I'll vlog even today. Not today, but up in the corner because sana one akosendlini phayana, so andiyazi ba kuzobe kunjani plus 2 esinwabeni yabo, so I'm not promising anything. Maybe I'll take snippets here and there yabo. So yeah guys, sanibonisa OOTD when I get there ubantu ngobentoni na. So yeah guys,
uthetha kanye loo nto uba right or not right basophele ngaphakathi bazafuna bayayimida la bazafuna uyathola
Malipina nibeka amanye ke siyahlamba sizosuka siyakhula. Ngicela ngifaka Ngikho phakathi kwabantu abafike ngicuma esiyangathi inalanto ihlala phezu kwayo because yami ihlala phezu kwayo ngoba siphela yisonto iyazicima. Beka phaa kweziya zikhazi zothunjwa. We are back, Kesana. I think so 20 minutes ago because my phone was flat. So I'm going to charge it and now we are back. The chinchilla guys is get as been this number because I'm done on camera, so I had to change. So yeah, bandase ngok andiyazi man because kukhona ubhuti walapha emzini esibuye naye waselisiki if kwakudala senabo apha sasikokwabo singcwele sikatatakhe last year, so we came back with him ufuna ukuza apha kokwabo because kukokwabo apha kukulotatakhe. So now we came back with him. I'm not sure bandipheke, but I'm tired man guys and I'm sleepy. Izolo I woke up at 3 and today I woke up at 4. So imagine Izolo I woke up at 3 a.m. and then the whole day besesendleleni, and then I woke up this morning at 4 nanamhlanje andivukanga nje but besibusy phaya. I couldn't even vlog kahle. Ashem, I could not. Yazi uyayibona indawo okay manje bendithethe into ezininzi bengekho free ngezizathu wethu but bengekho free. So now I am back home guys. I'm not sure if ndizopheka sizokwenza something to eat so but if I'm picky then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Guys, in the toilet kusekuseni and the time is past 7. Ndisayolala sana. I am tired. Ndizambona abantu asexa sendivukile sendinqabile. Ngoku ndifake ipijamani ebhonethi, ndifake nje ijerumani phezu kwepijama and then ndihamba etoilet. Andisalelanga kwamna ke bantase sendivele ndanxiba. I'm thinking of ukulantuka ukuhlamba ezaa nto bendizinxibe izolo because ndingcolise that top or shirt with i-foundation ebendiyifakile and also ngosebuyayo umntanam undichamele, so ndifuna uhlamba ezo zinto ezo ingahlali izode inuke umchamo. Yeah guys, and then I think today sohamba siye eMthatha sihambise umntana kamakazi wam sibuye naye eJoburg, but I'm not really sure man ndiyonqena kodwa kumele ehambile because uya esikolweni. So yeah guys, masihlambe nezi zinto.
So many times I done miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. No, I don't care who you're onto.
Hey.
There's too many options to stress you. You think that you be my controller.
Mommy, Papa.
Bubbles.
Mommy, Papa.
Baby, bubbles.
Papa.
Bubbles, baby. Bye. Bye, baby. Sizosela wena ufuna usela. Uzosela. Ufuna uzotya. Ahluma. Gwen.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you go, I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run.
guys, Sana, I think let me close off this vlog here and start enye because Sana space efonini yami siphelile and I want to edit this video ndikhuphe. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you didn't skip ads, and please like, comment down below, and mostly subscribe. If you don't know what to say or what to comment, just leave a heart. I can take that. So yeah, say bye.